Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah minhu wa binatina wa amrina wa sallallahu alaihi wasallam ya musrid sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa barik amin. Excellency to Dr. Hanifida and Dr. Hanifida as Director of Pesat Respect Hanifida, honorable to all my teacher, and then respectable to all my family, my dad, my mom, and all my friends. Okay, today I want to presentation my meeting about the cause and triggers of sneezing. Okay, the sneezing is simply an involuntary release of air that and helps the body to get rid of intense in your nose and your throat. Okay, and then this is like allergens, dirt and dust. These other triggers can range from drip, beers, and when nasal sprays to sudden exposure to bright light. Okay, this is stick in your nose trauma. Okay, or breathing cold air because response in your nose is minimum. Okay, and then the sneeze reflex. Okay, the one is our body are complex in your nose. Okay, this is irritation in your nose or trigeminal nervous in your nose of the spinal cord in the lateral medulla, and then this is its process sneezing. Okay, this is dysphagia. Trigeminal nervous to the sneezing center in the lateral medulla of the spinal cord. Okay. Next up in the process in the triggering of two different nerve signals. Okay, and then before the sneeze, before you sneeze is you lungs in your chest must use compress pressure of build up. Okay, and vocal cord close. When you open vocal cord, air driven up your respiratory. Yay! Okay, I'm sorry for my mistake. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.